Alright, yo! Hey guys, I'm sorry for the terrible lighting in this video. I have like this super janky setup right now. Yeah, we're in my room, but everything's kind of all over the place right now. I just finished Black Friday shopping and I really want to tell you guys what I got. So, we're gonna jump right into it. And you guys might be like, yo, you spent $1,000? But you can't even get yourself a new hoodie? Yeah, I know this is ripped. I know. I'm just like that, you know. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, let's get past that. Alright. So the first thing I got is, see, these are still in the bags. I'll show you guys. Honestly, I don't even know if you guys can even see. But this is the first thing I got. The GoPro Hero 7. As you guys can see. Don't know if you guys can even see really well. But yes, I got the GoPro Hero 7. Sorry for this terrible lighting, guys. I'm really sorry. But I did get this GoPro Hero 7 for, I think, $279. Original price, I think, is like $320 right now. So, good deal. And along with that, I got a 64 gigabyte SanDisk card for, I think, like 15 bucks. I have no clue what the price on this is. I'll probably put in an edit somewhere. But yeah, I got that for 15 bucks. That's the first item. Sorry if people make noise. Now on to the big items, right? So this Alright, Dad. This. You know what's funny? I was gonna make this video and say like, hey, you know, these are all investments into my business and my career, and you know, and then I get a Switch, so you know, sometimes you just gotta buy things that'll make you happy, you know what I'm saying? You know? Sometimes you just gotta make things that, you just gotta buy things that, you know, will make you happy, and like, you know, this makes me happy. And this is actually the Kohl's bundle. And with the Kohl's bundle, you get a travel case and the Joy-Con charging dock with it for $320. And this is actually a deal that I found that actually had the new Nintendo Switch. That's why I got it. Yeah. So I got that, and yeah, Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna be able to play. Yeah! I'll play Pokemon Sword. Pokemon Shield. Oh my god, I just messed that up. I'm going to be able to play Pokemon Shield with this Switch. This is gonna be so amazing. Can't wait. I bought this game before I did the Switch because there was a $50 deal at Walmart for it instead. So, yeah. And the last and final thing I got for Black Friday. Yeah, they're all big purchases. And you're like, hey, you're only at like 600 bucks. What's the next item? Well, this baby. Right here. I don't know if you guys saw it on the side, but this baby. Ooh. This. Right here. It might have been backwards showing you guys, but this right here. This right here. God damn. Like, damn. Dude, man. This right here is my baby. This is the DJI Ronin S. And I got the Essentials kit actually. And I like unpackaged it. I never opened it yet, so this is still rough to open. I like their whole thing. I love this case, dude. It's like nice. Keeps it protected. It's pretty cool. I like the case. And this. Oh shit. Bam! Is my baby. You guys see it? You guys see? I don't want to like break it, put it all the way down, but can you guys see that? This is a stabilizer, guys. This is gonna make so many dope, epic, cinematic shots. So many. So many, I can't even lock it. Well, there we go. Bam! Alright, I'm a professional unboxer. Ain't nobody ever do this. Alrighty. 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 Alright. So, yes, those are all the things I bought. But, yeah. Let me do a little, unboxing of this actually, cause, yeah, cause I want to. Yeah, and I can do whatever I want. Whoa, so right out the box, as you guys can see, you get to see your travel case right away. This is not gonna be used. No, just kidding. Alright. This is pretty cool. The deluxe travel case. What does it have in there? Let's see, let's open it up. Actually, I want to see if I actually got the new Nintendo Switch first. If I got cheated on this deal or not. Alright, red box. XKW. I got this too. This is the Joy-Con charging dock. You can charge your Joy-Con in the dock. I don't know. This is the thing I'm most happiest about buying. Yeah. Alright, so let's get to the opening of it. So open. Hallelujah. 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 Alright. We got the two Joy-Cons. Yes. I was questioning if this box had it. I finally get to touch things. I was questioning if they had the red and blue, because I really like the red and blue actually. Let's take it out. Take it out. I love these like neon colors, dude. Oh, they feel weird. This is the Switch itself. Model number HAC001-01. So you know you got the upgraded version. Alright, Coles. Alright, Coles. Did I ever tell you guys where I got these from? This bundle was from Kohl's. It was a $320 bundle actually, and original price was like $350. But what made it really good was the $90 Kohl cash. And what I'm really hoping for is, I hope that I will be able to use that $90 Kohl cash that they gave me to buy a Pro Control and maybe like a game or something. But I don't know, man. From what I saw in the store, I don't know if they actually have the Pro Controller over there. So yeah, I'm kind of sad. If they don't, I just screwed myself over. But yeah, in the Nintendo Switch, you get, yeah, this wire, HDMI wire, yeah, you get this wire. I think this is the charging wire, yeah. You get paper, no one reads. You get this thing. And another this thing, yeah, and it comes with this thing. Oh, this is the controller for these actually. I think I saw this on a YouTube video. Can I put it in? How do I put in? Oh, you just slide it in. Bang! Oh, that kind of clicks nice. Ooh. Is that how you take it off? Did I just break it? I don't know. Alright, you have here, you have the dock. Which I heard multiple bad things about, I forgot to get a glass protector for my Nintendo Switch, so I won't be using this yet. But I got a dock. This is an investment because, you know, I am actually going to be streaming, you know, at some point too. So this is all an investment, guys. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna justify my purchase. Yeah, take that. That was my Black Friday haul. I really wanted to just show you guys what I got for Black Friday, and guys, I worked hard for this. You know, it wasn't just one day money just came on to me like someone delivered money. No, all right. I worked hard for this, and I really wanted to make investments into like the next stages of my life, and I just wanted to make, you know, better videos for people to watch, you know, and so that's why I have all this. And so I've been waiting to make videos because I didn't have the gear to, or like my brain always thought, oh, you know, you don't have the gear to make it look good the way you want it to. So I was like, you know what, it's Black Friday, I have no more excuses. I have to get this so I can produce more content for you guys. And so I did it, you know. I was always pushing myself back because I'm like, no, I have to make it look better, and I can't do it without this or that. So I finally just went and bought it, and yeah, you know, so I want you guys to go out there and just really commit to, you know, chasing your dreams or whatever it is, because, you know, another day passes and another day passes and you're like 2 years down, and you know, so it's like, just go out there, commit, you know. If you're gonna do it. Yeah, just commit, you know. It's gonna take a lot of work, but you know, I just wanted to get this out to you guys because I haven't been making videos because I've been holding myself back. But hopefully this will push me and for me to reach my next goals. And yeah, I just really wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, so you guys can go and do it too, you know. Commit. Yeah, that's been like the theme of today. So yeah, okay, bye. That's the message for today. Do not have an excuse to not chase your happiness.